Very good morning, friends. I'm Nalnakshi Swami. I'm doing this video again for the traders who have newly bought my indicator, Nalini Precision Engine. Nalini Precision Engine is the engine directly related to the price. It derives the data from the price so that it is very superior. Apart from that, in this engine, I've included trend indicator also. So trend indicator as Gann Hilo and the rolling pivots as the direct price derivation from the underlying or whatever the asset you are using directly from the price. So that's why I'm not worried about the gap up or gap downs. When the yesterday market gapped up, after gapping up, it will create 4 layers. Exactly at 9:18 a.m., all these layers will be created, just like the open interest align each other, change of open interest, and the straddles will be placed. At where we will get to know the highlighted blue line will plot pivot R1, R2, S1, S2 up to this S2. And this block is known layers. And this is Gann Hilo. Gann Hilo. See, when the market gaps up, yesterday market gapped up, it started losing its balance. That means straddle level. 23,800 was the straddle. It came down. It should have reclaimed. Price could have done like this, right? Even whether it goes up or down, it should have reclaimed and it should have gone like this. It could have taken support and it could have gone like that. Instead of that, the market came down. Let me change the color for this. And then instead it tried to move to this level. Let me take out this and let me plot this. Instead of that, it tried to move, could not reclaim within 1 hour. 15 minutes candle is 1 hour. Within 4 candles, this box will be formed. This is the pivot, and from the rolling pivots, it is plotting. I've enabled only R1, R2 for this box. The price could not reclaim the balance area and price started moving below this. This itself indicated and it became black. Yellow pivot became black because the price law started losing its balance and started closing, trading below this pivot. After the previously market gave you the map and told you where is the balance area, and within next 4 candles, 15 minutes candles, you got to know market is going to trade down. And also you can see over here, it started coming down. Then what is the option? Option is to sit towards the put option and you have to wait for the discount and take the put option. And this trend filter, trend was intact. That makes confusing for many of the people. When the trend is intact, they will try to react on every green candle. I've made it yellow just to look it very good for me. So instead of green, I've made it yellow. This is the bull candle. These are the bear candles. So when it starts at moving above this, everybody thinks that it is a buying opportunity. They will try to go against the trend, and they will start, oh, a market is reversing, and they will try to enter into the call option. But see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 hour, 1, 2, 3, 4, second hour. Second hour, it is trying to move higher, and the price pivot temporarily changed to yellow, and this is matching. You can do scalping, that's it. If you want to do scalping, in the call option, you can do scalping. Scalpers can take the opportunity. But the trend was down. At that time, what happens to the put option is it plummets and give you one more discount, and the price continue, and everything matches. Everything matches here, the trend as well as the price falling and the pivot turning red. You can see pivot turning red. Only for a while it became yellow. So do not get confused. It was a trendy down day. Trendy down day was defined with the help of these morning layers. Morning layers, whatever may be, if the price could not claim above the pivot, then it is confirmed that market direction is down. Sometimes what happens is markets, there will be sort of behaviors. Market comes down and then reclaims, and it may trade within this box. That day will be straddle selling day. People sell both the call option and the put option. Premium decay will be there. That type of days will be there. These are the days you can take the opportunity. Yesterday was like that. Same way you can see over here, market gapped up, could not sustain. Market gapped down, and you see here, this was the straddle, 23,441. 23,441 means we are going to select 23,400. See, opening bell, price within a week came down, reclaimed within single candle, it reclaimed above the straddle area, and within 3 candles it moved up, and then it is taking support. This red pivot became black. Same way. Yellow pivot becoming neutral. Red pivot becoming neutral. The direction was up because the price was above the morning layers. Then you need to concentrate on the put option. You can see this GAN Hilo trend was down. Trend was down, but the market price was moving, and we were able to catch this call option at very low price. This call option, 23,400 call option, came down to 94. 94 and rallied to 300 or something. Exactly, I don't remember. I remember the low value. And this is how same replica, mirror image. This is the mirror image of the previous day's trade. It was ulta, right? The market closed at the top above the noon layers. Here market closed at the bottom below the morning layers, but closed flat. Closed flat wherever yesterday. So it behaved as if nothing has happened. Nothing has happened. It was a, why did it do like that? Because there was liquidity. It has grabbed this liquidity. So market, since it has grabbed this liquidity to these big money, has put in lot of money to buy all these stop losses, then they will be profitable if they go back either to the straddle or to this level, 23,841. So whether they do it today, they may go down little bit, they may panic, they may try to move the price down like this, and then they may start doing. We need to see what sort of price action they will not go down. Already they have come down and they have moved up because they have come down and they have taken liquidity over here. So probably they may go down a bit and they may. So I'm not going to predict today's move because I need not. My engine predicts and tells me every step where to sit, which side to go. So, friends, do not confuse because when the market gaps down, the trend will not pick up. If the market gaps up, the trend indicator, it will not pick up because the reason for this is that is the thing, actually, moving averages. The Gani Hilo is a two sets of moving average which calculates differently from the other moving averages. It goes back to highest high and lowest low and gives the balance area. Then only the trend flips. This becomes blue and this becomes red. So, since it was dancing, the market was gapping up and gapping down, then it takes time for the indicator. Whether you apply any moving average, it takes time for the indicator, to adjust to the balance area. So, this is this indicator is very, very superior. Instantly, you get all the levels, you get the direction instantly because it is directly related to the price. So, quick recap is what you need to do. First thing, my morning engine plots morning layers. Let me write down text. All of you listen to me carefully. Morning layers are plotted at 9:18 a.m. Okay. Next step, what you need to do? It gives you balance. That means straddle area on OI data. So you third thing is you get the map. You get the map around straddle area. That means levels above the pivot and levels below the pivot. Fourth thing, you need to wait at least for 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Do not hurry yourself. hurry, because the price has to settle and start trading in the direction. But some exceptions, exception is like these 2 days. Instantly you got the direction on 28th. Instantly you got the direction on yesterday. But see, after 3 candles, 1 candle down. After 1 candle down, next candle is up, but below the straddle area. That itself is an indication that you are not going to react to this green candle. So always remember, where is the price? You put an alert on this straddle area. How to do that? You just go there, click here, add alert, drag it. Okay. Add alert. You know the base area. If the underlying is not crossing anything, then do not take the trade. Simple. You can see gap down, red pivot, turning neutral, and it started trading up. Green pivot, yellow pivot, turning neutral, below the straddle area, it started coming down. Only in between it became green. This is a scalping area for you people if you want to scalp for call option or the put option. Okay? So you can do that. That is the exception. But try to be, see here, here the difference is, I am taking the examples every day. Red pivot, price is below the straddle. That's why I am asking you people to wait for the, and this red pivot, 1, 2, 3, 4, after an hour, turning neutral. It took time. Time has changed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is around 10:30 it changed. It become and claimed the straddle area. Still the GAN halo, you are getting an entry around this when it reclaims and holds the straddle area 23,400 and started moving up. This applies to even for the stock option. And known layers are also supporting. They are formed around the R2. Then trend manifests and price started moving up, and it was a BTST trade. So if you not at the end, you can buy here for the BTST trade. Everybody says you just hold the position near the close. You can take the position at the bottom and you can hold the position for a next day trade. See, here it was a sell, started moving here down, the red pivot, the price is below, you could have taken BTST position here, put option here, gap down. That's how you need to do. I do not advise BTST taking position after 3:15 p.m. Many people, they say you take the position after 3:15 p.m. But with my engine, you get the trend early and you take the position over here. There's different sort of presentation you can see over here on a different day. See, market took time to claim and become positive. Here, the difference is the price came down, neutral pivot, red pivot turning yellow, that is green, and the trend is also adjusting. See here the beauty. This is a different type of presentation the market presented. So around 11:15, the market reclaimed everything. This is the pivot is also aligning with this. This sort of presentation will also be there in the market. So you need to observe the market very carefully. This will be a learning guide. This Nalini Precision is learning guide. So wait for minimum 30 minutes. There are instant days. And you can see this day is within the box of the first morning layers, neutral day. This was an accumulation day after the fall and the price went up. This is how the market behaves. Even you can see same thing happened in the trend also. I take the everything mimics stock trend. See here, you can see there was adjustment over here. It was a BTST trade. The market stayed within the range and it was a down day. Pushed up, see, so beautifully, you can study the structure here. It came down. Again, same process for both aligning each other and the market moved higher. So you can learn everything with the help of my Nalini Precision Engine layers. Just simple way, follow the rules, follow everything, trade with the discipline. You are not going to miss out anything. You are not going to sabr ka phal meeta hota hai. That means you have patience. Patience will pay you. So the person, you need to wait because see, when you are disturbed, for example, common psychology, when your mind is disturbed, it has to settle. Mind has to become calm to think in proper way. Like that, market will be disturbed if it is gap down or gap up. At that time, it needs time to settle. So my Nalini Precision Engine will give you morning areas, morning layers to show that where the market or the mind will become calm. That is the base area. So you have to take the trade after the market settling, how the price is reacting to that base area. That is the basic funda for your trade. Thank you very much, friends. I've tried to explain in a very simple way how to trade. This is the very superior indicator. You can take the trade very beautifully. Very beautifully. Thank you very much. Nalnakshi Swami signing off. If anybody not accessed my indicator, it is a paid indicator. You can WhatsApp me on this number to get the details. Thank you very much, Nalnakshi Swami, signing off.